Hey my babies, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in. In today's video, it is all about this beautiful unit from YGwigs. Now I have here the 13x4 lace frontal wig, and this is their kinky curly Brazilian virgin hair, and I will have all the details of this unit in the description box, so definitely check that out. I am thinking I have this unit in 20 inches and it is 150 density. Again, if I have this wrong, because for some reason I cannot find all the details on me, I will have it in the description box. But if you don't really care for 150 density, they do have 180 density as well. They do have a lace color of light brown or transparent, so they have two options, and I'm pretty sure I chose light brown lace. So right here I am just plucking the heck out of this unit, and I actually did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera just to save a little bit of time. This is nothing new on my channel. I have bleached knots many times. Sometimes I mess up, sometimes I don't. And this is just one of those days that I actually did not over bleach. Hallelujah. Okay, I feel like it turned out really nicely. Now with me plucking it did not need that much plucking at all, but because I wanted to go ahead and just tweak it a little bit more, I felt like it's not gonna hurt nobody, so that's what I did, and I did not over pluck, and it looks very beautiful. So I am just gonna go ahead and start cutting that lace off. Now you guys can see how full this unit is. Now I did shampoo and condition it, and I let it sit overnight, and when I tell y'all this unit is extremely full, it is very full. So if you really do love your curly units to be full and you don't like it thin, this unit will be something for you to pick up. After cutting that lace off, this is my favorite part. I am grabbing the Lace Academy melting spray. I'm telling y'all, this melting spray has been the best thing ever created. I'm telling y'all, the best thing ever created. When I tell y'all that got to be spray and got nothing on this melting spray, I'm telling y'all, I will link in the description box. You guys, it melted the heck out of the lace. Oh my goodness, like you guys, I can't stress that enough. I cannot. Me, that ghost bonding and got to be spray, I watch a kai. I think this is the new plug. The only thing is about this spray is every time it comes in stock, it be selling out fast. So I can't promise y'all that she will have it in stock. I had to actually get my hands on 2 of them because I figured once I'm done, I will need more, and I'm not sure whether it's gonna be out of stock or not. So once she restocks again, I'm gonna have to get more just to be on the safe side. But this melting spray is really good. So I went ahead and pulled out some hair in the front. Those are the hairs that I'll be creating, the little baby hairs that I'll be doing throughout this video. So I'm grabbing this like elastic band just to really let that lace be held down even more. And I never really do this with none of my hair tutorials, honestly. It depends how I really want it to be melted. Okay, so I'm just grabbing this spray bottle that has water and conditioner just to wake up those curls, because later on in this video I'm actually gonna spray the heck out of this unit, because I felt like this unit did need a lot more water just to wake those curls up. So now I am grabbing my Tresemme mousse, and this is actually going to work as my guide and also to kind of like keep that baby hair on place, okay? In place, not on place, in place. So yeah, so this is just gonna create my baby hair, and then throughout the day I'm just gonna have a little comb and just, you know, feather it a little bit out. But girl, when I tell, this unit is so cute. A lot of you guys on Instagram was begging for the link, and I did not have it on me, so finally I do. And girl, she is fire. She's beautiful, she's full, she's natural looking, and she's just fire, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm grabbing this wig dealer wax stick because we want everything to just be on place. The wax stick is really going to firm and keep that hair on place, and everything's just gonna look like it's melting on the right places. I'm in love. Are you guys in love? Because I'm in love. So this is it for me talking. As always, I'll have all the details in the description box, so definitely check that out. I love you guys so much. Naopenda sana. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.